Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Roblox stuck on loading screen error, and this is for both PC and mobile, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is pretty simple. Just go ahead and reset your internet connection, and if you don't know how to do that, you can either reset your internet router, your Wi-Fi router, and you can just do that by simply unplugging all of the wires out of the router, waiting about 30 seconds to a minute, and then replugging them back in. Once you do that, you can go ahead and replug the wires back in, and then once your PC is back open, I recommend restarting your PC as well. And you can also shut down your phone, shut off your phone, and then power it back on as well. Both kind of like the same, like you're restarting your device. But anyways, yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go, and you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can do is both on PC and mobile, delete Roblox and then reinstall it. So you can just simply delete it and then reinstall Roblox and then check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method you guys can do is open up Google Chrome. I'm pretty sure this is only for PC. Open up Google Chrome, click on Control, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time, and you're basically want to once you do that and a new screen pops up, it's going to say clear data, and you want to go ahead and just do that. All that's basically doing is just you're clearing your cache, and that does help fix the issue as well. And yeah, that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.